Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda NC700X. Twin cylinder, 670 cc's of smooth power, fuel injected, liquid cooled, upright standard, beautiful satin black. This bike is a fantastic sport tourer or commuter. It's got that storage area in the front where the gas tank normally is, because that's under the seat. Low center of gravity, easy to handle, handles beautifully. Come by, check it out. This bike's priced to sell at just $49.99. Only 11,000 miles on this beautiful NC700. It's got the reflective wheel tape. Show me that container there, Rob, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Right there. You put your lunch, put your workout gear. 22 liter, beautiful, convenient storage. 55 miles per gallon. Check us out on the web, www.consign.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful pre-used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.